Yeah, so if making 2000 naira is not a big deal for you, then you need to watch this video to the end. Welcome to the Alpha Wolf channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you legitimately how you can make 2000 naira daily on your mobile phone. Like, you can do this with your mobile phone, you can do it with your laptop. It is very simple, it is very easy. The most important thing is for you to follow my steps and take action. Right, I'm going to put a link to the description where you'll be able to go on this website, create your account and begin to make money. Yeah, just check the link in my description. I'll put a link to the website, so you don't need to stress about that. Now, the name of this website is called Nairaworkers.com. Nairaworkers.com. If I'm going to open the website now, on this particular website, people pay others to complete some simple tasks for them. So the thing is, you don't know the exact task you'll be getting, but there's something that is always to be done and you get paid to make money. Trust me on this one, you need to believe this is actually real and people are making money. So some people that are in the make money online space, there's what we call Pico workers. Pico workers is like a foreign platform where people are paid to do small gigs. This is something similar to Pico workers, but this is for Nigerians. It's called Nairaworkers. So look at this. You have over 208,000 tasks completed, small gigs but big results. So you can make as much as 500 naira per task, 1,000 naira, 200 naira, 50 naira, even 10 naira, depending on what the task is about. So the tasks are very simple, they are very basic. All you need to do on this website is for you to create your account. You are going to see something like this, like gigs, where you can complete some tasks, then you get paid. Your earning is going to reflect on your dashboard, and boom, you begin to start making money. Right, so even if you don't want to work on the platform, if probably you are a business owner or you want people to complete some tasks, you can actually come on Nairaworker, post the tasks, tell people the amount you are going to pay them, and once they complete the tasks, you pay them. So it's just like a freelance platform where you don't necessarily need any big or huge skill. Without wasting much of our time, let me just go straight. Watch this video to the end so that you can quickly understand how it works. Now, if you are a new person, if you come through your phone, you have to go to register. Right, from the home page, you click here, the 3 menu button, you will see login, you click on register if you are new. Now, in this place, you are going to register. You write your name. Let's say your name is John, your surname is Patrick. I'm just giving an example here, Patrick. Maybe the username you want is John. Okay, I have an account already, so John 22. Gender male. You put your email address, you put your referrer. In this case, if you are signing up manually, right, this is my email address. Since I'm the one referring, you can actually put me as your referrer. Let's say my email address mcagabzi@gmail.com. My referrer is, this is optional. You can choose to if you want to, and if you don't want to, you can leave it. But then you can just put mcagabzi as referrer. Then you can put your password and you can confirm password. But I'm going to put a link in the description that will take you directly to where you can create your account. Right, so this is what you do. When you come, you create your account. The next thing is you are going to log in. So for somebody like me that already have an account, I'll just go straight to logging in. Right, I'll just go to login. I'm going to put my email address and my password, and I'll click on sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to see the tasks you are going to do for the day. I don't really use Pico workers all the time because I have many other ways I make money online, but then it actually pays. There are always jobs to do. So when you click on this 3 menu icon, you can come to available jobs. When you come to available jobs, we are going to allow it to load. By then you should have gone to fill your account details, do a lot of stuff and all. Now look at, very important, you are going to see different jobs. You have the most recent job and the highest paying job. Now in this place that you see orange color, right, that you see 18/25, it means this task requires 25 people to do it, right, but 18 people have done it, so it means you can actually do this task. Now what this job is WhatsApp status posts, video courses that help you make money. So you're going to post this on your WhatsApp status and you get paid 35 naira for just posting this on your WhatsApp status. Very simple. Look at this one. They'll pay you 7 naira to join a WhatsApp TV. That means you should save their number, right? Look at it. Join the above WhatsApp TV for giveaways, memes, First save contact as web TV, restrict us from viewing your status, blah 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 blah. So when you finish, you just put your proof, you just show your screenshot that you have done it, and boom, you get paid, right? You get paid 7 naira. Look at this. These are ways you can make money. Look at this one, you make 85 naira. New users sign up on social platform. This one you can make 40 naira, you can make 100 naira. Now see, these are for the low earnings. Now if you go to the highest paying, you're going to see jobs that you can make up to like 500 naira, that you just need to do 4 tasks and boom, you have 1000 naira. Look at this. This one you can make 600 naira, 599. Fair money sign up, 3,500 naira will be yours in less than 5 minutes. So they'll tell you what you need to do and how you need to go about it. Look at this one, L credit, first time user. So they'll tell you what to do, and these are ways you can actually make clean and legit money online. Pamplay 230 naira, get 1000 plus 210 to download and install cheaper app. So these are ways you can make more money if you just complete 4 tasks, which you can do in the space of probably less than 15 minutes. You are going to make 2,000 naira just like that. And these are ways you can easily pick money daily working on your mobile phone. This one doesn't require any skill, no graphic skill, no designing skill. Yes, and for you to collect your money, you need to go to your wallet and you withdraw your money, right? So you can go to your wallet, you will see the monies you have earned, you check your account, the tax you have completed, you will see it. Here, people that want to send you message and all and stuff like that. I don't want this video to be too long because I've already hit the nail on the head on how you can make 2,000 naira working on Nairaworkers. There are many platforms like this that I know. If you want me to make more videos like this, it is important for you to like this video, you leave a comment and say make more videos, right? So that I will know that you guys like this kind of content. And don't forget to check the link in my description for you to click on it and begin to create your account on Nairaworkers, so that you will not go to the wrong Nairaworker account, because there are many Nairaworker accounts. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Bye for now. I love you guys and I hope to see you in my next video. Signing out, Alpha Wolf.